Google Pixel to benefit from Samsung's Note 7 brand damage, survey finds. Samsung is hoping to keep its customers with incentives, including a $100 credit for Note 7 owners who stick with a Samsung device as their replacement hardware, but carriers are leaving the door open for buyers to pick whatever kind of smartphone they want instead. A new survey conducted by e-commerce agency Branding Brands suggests that a decent number may end up moving to other brands, and Google's new Pixel phones could get a sizable early bump for its new premium approach to in-house designed hardware. Of those surveyed, which include 1,000 Samsung smartphone owners, of any devices, not just the Note 7, has found that 40% of respondents will buy another device from the manufacturers, which represents a 6% increase in the number of buyers looking elsewhere compared to the first time Branding Brand ran this survey just after the first Note 7. Recall, of that group, 8% of those planning a switch will buy a new Google Pixel, which wasn't yet announced when the first survey was conducted, and 30% will switch to iPhone, with the remaining 62% saying they plan to go to another Android maker. Compared to the original survey, those considering iPhone dropped 4 percentage points, which means Pixel is looking like a legitimate premium competitor to some at least. Alongside iPhone and Samsung's top-tier hardware, Pixel still represents a very small percentage of buyer choices in the survey, of course. But the fact that it's tipping the scales at all already represents a kind of victory for Google and its marketing efforts around the device. I still don't think Pixel will make a sizable dent in the premium smartphone market this year, but Note 7 woes could help it make a stronger showing than it would have otherwise.